Welcome to Toyota Museum. Field trip.
Previously, cotton under sheets are separated. Then, I make the photography by the vibration of this tube.
Cool.
It became fluffy. And then I spread the fluffy pattern and make a cotton stick. We call it yoriko. Each fiber is so short, it's easily to break. But I draw under twist them at the same time. It joins together.
Wow.
Next, I spin the slate with this tool.
Cool.
Spinning has three processes. First, I draw fibers from cotton stick. It's joined together. But fibers are weak, so it's easily to break. Next, I twist them to make them stronger. It became much harder. And last, I wind the slate. When it breaks, put the slate on cotton stick. It joins easily like this. The slate is made by repeating three processes. They are drawing, twisting, and winding. The basic process of spinning is still the same even today. And then over there you can see mechanized.
Modern.
そうですそうです。先ほど一人で一つしかあちらではね、一人でね、見ることができたんですけど、次の時代、たくさんのものをパズルを使ってね、
Spinning machine.
作ることができる。これを次の時代、明治です。
ほとんどないです。
How they make
でね、これをスライバーというんですけど、この切ったところを見ていただくとこんな感じです。もうある程度線をほぐれてきました。だけどこのスライバーね、
This is a Toyota Museum.
この後もさらに
They
引き伸ばし
started with textiles.
だけど綿の繊維がこう絡み
Toyota.
ただいまの実演では1分間約700本でお声を通していました。最大1分間10分以上でお声を通すことができます。また高圧の水を使ってお声を通すため、ナイロンやポリエステルといった合成繊維の部に対応しております。それでは続き最後に空気をつな
These are all Toyota machinery. Toyota. Even that is used glass fiber. Wow. Printed circuit board. Wow. Racing suits and helmets. Toyota makes all these. Wow. Workbench. What is this? Brake hose. What? Okay. From cotton. Dadak chair. Gloves. Textile products for use in industrial goods. Wow. There you go. Cool. Then they use parabolic antenna. Cotton. plant-based fibers. And yoga mats, hollow fiber membrane. Snowboards, they also use that. Cotton, fabric, paddle boards, outdoor goods, fishing rods. Cool. This one. So the first machines, Toyoda. Modern, fully automated. 3 minutes 34. Start. Ayun, picture. Alright, this is the wheel of Sakichi Toyoda. Top. See? Sakichi Toyoda. Yeah. So this one, see Trump? This is his study. (1867). Start of the wheel. Invention of Toyota wooden hand loom. So they started with looms. Now power loom. It evolved. Okay, now they compete with the UK and the USA. Now they expand. There we go. Right. Now the looms. In 1935, Sakichi. Always be faithful to your duties, thereby contributing to the company overall good. Always be studious and creative, striving to stay ahead of the times. Always be practical and avoid frivolousness. Always strive to build a home-like atmosphere at work that is warm and friendly. Remember to be grateful at all times. Wow. That is Sakichi Tokichiro Toyoda. Kichiro, 35 years old in 1920. What does this button do? Water jet insertion mechanism. Okay. Demonstration of metalworking. Okay. So this is how they make engine. 15cc cylinder block. 2GR crankshaft. Forging. Milling machine. Drilling machine. This is how they forge the metals, lower and upper die. Core. Melting furnace.
で、鋳造の実演が、午前の部が11時30分からになっております。本日はこちらのコネクティングロッド、この部分になりますけども、これのちょっと寂しいんですけど、ミニチュアを今から 型鍛造で作っていきたいと思います。こちらのプレス、120トンのプレスに金型が用意されていまして、この金型はこちらの金型になります。まず加熱した材料を荒地型に
Pavilion. Oh. Timeline. Start in 1951. Oh. Robots. First bike. Can you? Oh. Okay. Engine prototype. Ooh. Wow.